You don't need a shelf full of products or a 12-step ritual. Skincare is about intention, not excess. In this video, we're sharing a soothing, step-by-step routine for glowing, healthy skin that fits every skin type. Whether you're just starting or simplifying your routine, this guide is your calm space in the world of skincare. Let's begin. You don't need 10 steps or expensive products. Just a thoughtful routine that respects your skin. In this video, we'll guide you through the ultimate skincare routine that works no matter your skin type. Cleansing is the foundation. Use a gentle cleanser, preferably sulfate-free, to remove oil, sweat, and pollution without stripping your skin's barrier. Avoid harsh scrubs, think soft, not squeaky. Exfoliate wisely. Chemical exfoliants like AHAs and BHAs work better than physical scrubs for most skin types. Once or twice a week is enough for that glow, more isn't better. Toners balance your skin's pH and prep it for the next steps. Choose hydrating formulas with ingredients like rose water, glycerin, or niacinamide. Serums target specific skin concerns. Vitamin C brightens, hyaluronic acid hydrates, and niacinamide calms. Apply just a few drops, let your skin sip, not soak. Lock it in with a moisturizer suited to your skin type. Light gel for oily skin. Creamy and rich for dry skin. Remember, hydrated skin glows. SPF is your skin's shield. Rain or shine, indoors or outdoors, sunscreen is non-negotiable. Go for SPF 30 or higher with broad-spectrum protection. At night, your skin heals. Add-ons like retinol for aging, sleeping masks for hydration, or facial oils can make a real difference if used correctly. Don't overdo it. More products don't mean better skin. Avoid using actives like retinol and acids together. Listen to your skin, less is often more. Simple. Gentle. Consistent. That's the true secret to radiant skin. If this routine brought you clarity or calm, give it a like, hit subscribe, and stay with us for more soft beauty moments. Until next time, stay glowing with Dress, Dine, and Shine.